When I wake, I know you are with me. In the dark, I can almost see you clearly. Every day, you're singing over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. In my pain, I know you can feel it. There I find the comfort in your spirit. Every day you sing it over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. Anywhere.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marvelous, and if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're returning Sabi, you know by now I love you, I love you, I love you so much, and I'm so grateful for your love and support. So today guys, it's a Wednesday and I have quite a busy day. I just wanted to come here and open this vlog, and then I head out. So I need to go and fix my nails. 2 nights ago my husband did my nails. He always wanted to do my nails, and then on Monday I gave him a chance. All I can say is that he will never ask me to do nails again. Because I'm sure I had the worst experience. He had the worst client. So I need to fix my nails and then run a few errands. I hope you like, you comment, and you subscribe to this.
Holy One.
Oh, inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu Nkosi yami. So today guys, I want us to talk about black tax. So in my own understanding, black tax is whereby one family member takes up the whole financial responsibility of the family, and sometimes it's not a nice thing and sometimes it's a good thing. I just wanted to hear your views on that, because most times you would hear an older brother saying, I couldn't finish my degree because I took responsibility, school fees for my young siblings. Or you would hear somebody saying, I couldn't build a house because I was busy taking care of my family members. Or it can get to an extent whereby our parents would demand things from us in the name of takakuchengeta, we took care of you until you are older. Everything that you have, you owe it to us. So I don't know, guys, what's your views on this? Is it supposed to be like that, or it's a must that every child must take care of their parents or their siblings? Is it a title? Is it a must? Must it happen? And if there is a chance whereby you can decide, I don't want to do it, I just want to focus on building my own empire, or I want to build my own future, and then my siblings, they are not your responsibility, they are your parents' responsibility. Or maybe you would say, I give when I have, and if I don't have, I won't help. And in the same sense, Shakadaro, how are we dealing with in-laws as well? Because I feel like if I'm going to take the financial burdens of my little ones, and then obviously my husband must do the same. Not a must, but I'm just saying, if I'm to buy my mom some shoes, I must also think about my mother-in-law as well. So I don't know how are you doing it, guys? Like, is it like burdening you now, taking care of your families, or it's something that you do without even thinking about it? You just do it gracefully, or when you're doing your budgets at the end of the month, you budget knowing kuti there's this chunk of money that is going to go to these families, or you provide when you can. It's a very sensitive topic, and I just want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts? How should this be done? So I'm done cleaning, and we are using the old method to warm up food. So this is leftovers from last night. Sneaky peek. So I just boil water, and then the steam heats up the food until we get a microwave. Hey guys, so I'm done cleaning the fridge. I spilled some oil in there, so it wasn't looking good. So I didn't do a deep clean, but I just wiped the trays. I'll still need to do like a whole house reset, like cleaning everything in this house next week when I'm feeling better, because right now I'm not feeling well. What else? So on Saturday we do have a couple's dinner, and I'm still deciding if I should take you with, but the biggest part of my heart is telling me that we could run errands and do a lot of things in prep for that dinner. But the actual dinner, I can just show you the setup and everything, but the actual thing, I won't be able to film it, because I feel like I'll be in other people's private space, and you never know, it might get steamy. You know, things might get out of hand. People can start talking about things that are not supposed to be, in public. So I also want to respect that. If by any chance there is a teaching that is going live on Facebook, probably I can also get clips here and there. But I'm also just going to be focusing on the couples thing. I want to enjoy time with my husband as well. I want to get a proper teaching about marriage. So I also want to be in the moment. Yeah, guys. Yesterday when I went out, I ended up not doing my nails because things just got too hectic, and I might end up doing my own nails. If I'm going to do my nails, I'm going to do it in my next vlog. Yeah, guys, there isn't much to but yeah, I'm really trying to be consistent, and I'm gonna make sure that it stays like this. What else, guys? I don't know. Like when I'm off the camera, I've got a lot of things to say, but then once I'm here, it feels like everything just goes away. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you comment. I hope you comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.
You know